welcome. Sal Subnis here with SS Multimedia. Today, we're going to be talking about variables and expressions.
So now let's go over our objective. Okay? So, objective is understanding what the different types of expressions are. Okay? So, there are two different types. Okay? There are two different types of expressions, and types are, there are two different types of, writing 7, right? Some people could write 7 like this, some people could write 7 like this, right? So that's one way. That's like an example, one I can think of at this moment. And then there is expressions, which is a equation without an equal sign. Okay, so if you have 5 plus 2 equals 7, that's an equation. Okay, I'm going to write EQ. Okay, but if you have 5 plus 2, no answer, that's an expression. Okay, so 7 plus 9, 88 times 4. Okay, so all those are expressions. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so like in our objective, you know that we're going to be talking about two different types of expressions. Okay, type number 1, which is the one you probably will know. Numerical expressions. Okay, so what is a numerical expression, right? So let's break that down. Numerical, okay, so that's the first word, right? If you think of this, it's a numer, right? So you're going to guess it has something to do with numbers, right? Yes, you're right. So those examples I showed you in the beginning, 88 times 4, 5 plus 2, those are numerical expressions. So if there's an expression, 5 plus 9, okay, does it have anything other than a number and a symbol? No. So it is a numerical expression. Another way to describe this is an algebraic. Okay? The reason I don't do that is because, big word alert. So I don't want to do that. Let's just stick with numerical. It sounds simple and, to be honest, a little cooler. And now, let's go ahead. So, I'm going to do a quick quiz. Okay? Is it a numerical expression? Right? So I'm going to use green. Pop quiz. Yay! I don't think I hear a lot of people saying yay right now, but let's just go with it. Let's see. We have, is 7 plus 2 a numerical expression? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. Yes, it is. Is 8 times 9 a numerical expression? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes. It is. Is 8 plus 5 equals 13 a numerical expression? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No. That is not a numerical expression. Why? Because it has a equal sign. Okay, so anytime an expression has an equal sign in there, then, so if this said 14, right, you would know it's not a numerical expression. Why? Because you see that equal sign. So you just count that off automatically. That is a equation. Okay, there you go, pop quiz over. Not that bad. Okay, but, twist. We're going to do one more question. Is 4 times 9 numerical expression? No. No, it is not. It is not. Why? No. Why? Because it used words. Words, friends. Okay? So, if this was 4 times 9, but with a symbol, then that's a numerical. But if it uses the word times, it becomes a word expression, which brings us to the next part of our lesson, word expressions. And whoops, I just threw a dot there. No need for a dot. Okay, let's go with blue here. Okay, so word expression. What is that? Okay, it is an expression that has words in it. Okay, but unlike numbers, it doesn't have to be only words, right? So 4, let's use that previous one. What was that? 4 times 9. 4 times 9. A word expression. Why? Because it has words. Yeah, and yes, it does have numbers. But if it has some words in there, it automatically becomes a word expression. So, there are different types to write 4 times 9. So we're trying to write 4 times 9. Okay, let's see. Let's just list off some ways to write that. You can do 4 times 9, or 4 multiplied by 9, right? Multiplied by 9, or let's see. Are there any other ways? I mean, probably is. I mean, 4. I'm just making this up on as I go. I'm not even sure if this is one. 4 equal groups. Added together, and I ran out of space there. Sorry. Let's get a little more space. There you go. Now we're all smushed. 4 equal groups added together 9 times. Okay, now that was a big one. 4 equal groups added together 9 times. Right, so if you had 4 equal groups, so say 1, 2, 3, 4, that's one group. If you added those together 9 times, that would be 4 times 9. And so there are plenty of ways to write 4 times 9. Okay, I think that's been established. Alright, so is it a numerical expression? So again, quick pop quiz here. Okay, and now I probably know that isn't as bad. It's not like a 10-question thing, just a couple quick questions. Let's see. This is going to be different, right? So let's see. 10 divided by 5. Okay, and I wrote divided by 5 wrong. Okay, divided by 5. I want you to write this in a numerical expression. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 10 divided by 5. So usually the words take place of the symbol. Okay, so you see what I mean. So if you had 3 times 8, 3 times, you substitute that for multiplication symbol, you get 3 times 8. There you go. Okay, so there you go. That was a quick pop quiz. Okay, and now no more pop quizzes. So an actual quiz. Welcome to problem time. Okay, so today's problem time is a little quick. Write the below word expressions as numerical expressions. Okay? Number 1, 4 divided by 2. Number 2, 8 multiplied by 10. Number 3, 7 multiplied 2 times. And number 4, 9 split into 3 equal groups. Okay, let's do this. I want you to pause the video and give it a go yourself. See how many you get right. Okay, so I'm assuming that you paused the video. And now we're going to check your answers. So, number 1, 4 divided by 2. Well, it's 4. Right? And using that method, you know that this divided by replaces the symbol of divided by 2. That's our expression there. We have 8 multiplied by. That multiplied by replaces the x, right? That multiplication symbol. So 8 times 10. Then this 7 multiplied 22 times, right? So those multiplied 22 times also means multiplied by, so that takes the place again of that x, so 7 times 22, man, that was big. That was a big 7 right there. And last, 9 split into 3 equal groups. Split into 3 equal groups takes the place of divided by. How do I know it's not multiplication? Well, it says split, right? It says split. Multiplication, you don't split, right? You're trying to get more. And you don't get more if you split apart, right? So if you have 2, and you split it apart, right? Like if you see in the movies, let's split up, right? That means that 2 becomes 1 and 1. So you're never going to get more if you split. So it's division. 9 divided by, because that's split in 2, takes the place of this divided by symbol, 3. Okay? So number 1 is 4 divided by 2. Number 2 is 8 times 10. Number 3 is 7 times 22. And number 4 is 9 divided by 3. Okay? So I hope you learned something during the lesson. And thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Okay? And when you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that notification bell to see more of me and more of SS Multimedia Math. Keep an eye out for the next videos to come.